As you see, this is example 5 of the book, the calculate consumption of fixed capital. Here, as you see, the consumption of fixed capital is another name for the term depreciation. As you see, the question here is given a national income, which is NNP it at FC, also known as net national product at factor cost, and second thing we are given is gross domestic product at MP. You can calculate the consumption of fixed capital from two methods here. फर्स्ट बाय गोइंग, दो रास्तों से आप इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, 2 ways. बाय गोइंग फ्रॉम NNP at FC to GDP MP, and by second method, that is from GDP MP to NNP FC. We can go from this way to this and from this to this. Both of these methods we can calculate our depreciation. As you already know, the depreciation is difference between the N and G. That is difference between the net and the gross. In the gross, the term depreciation is included, whereas in the net, the term depreciation has been excluded. Okay, now we are going to calculate our depreciation. As you see, you already have the NNP at FC, that is 4,000. Okay, suppose you already have your NNP and FC, you have to compare it with your GDP at MP. So we will write here the NNP FC, and here we see the GDP MP. To calculate NNP FC from GDP MP, first thing you have to do is to convert your N into G, that is minus depreciation. Okay, and the second thing here is that is national and domestic. N to D, the term N represent the national and the term D represent the domestic. The difference between the national and domestic is the NFIA. To convert the domestic into national, we have to include the NFIA. And the third thing here is FC. FC represent the factor cost, whereas the MP represent the market cost. The difference between the factor cost and market cost is the NIT, that is net indirect taxes. That is we also have to subtract the 300, that is our net indirect taxes. Okay, now we already know our NNP FC is 4,000, our GDP MP is 5,000 minus depreciation plus 200 of NFIA minus 300 of NIT. Okay, now you see, if we continue with this process, you may see that we can transfer it here and depreciation over here. Okay, depreciation is here, transfer it there. $5,000 minus 4,000 okay, 5,000 minus 4,000. Here we see already have the 200 minus 300, that is minus 100. Okay, now as we calculate this thing, the GDP comes at 900. The depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital, is 900.